daktari eliga anake niliarari
ya amalia tangoro kwa Evans okema Canada egasi na masomia abana omwalimu nde ase juu ya Kisii University na nde director school mbata linyamira ekuru kuiva Trisa International School ina egasi ngakora igondu daktari by virtue of my academic credentials. Yeah, thank you.
Umunye gitari ase amangana masomo oliete vitabu kabisa. Karibu sana na we are happy nkorenginga Nyamira mbije na wachire bono mambi
dinda ukento kebe Nyamira alia ndojenga abantu mbategererete otolende one or two villages me aba abantu basireire lakini ine kawaida na maisha yao mbona tumetulia huko Nyamira kuna shida.
It is a long time, Daktari Evans Kinanda kwa nituka kama remember we were here sometimes back mwanaya sigeta sinikiga namba AMO katoka nyuko Sangamo Nyamira County whatever bya Kigima ekertukulilia mangana yubura ino tukuchakira ngaki yubura ibine.
Yes, omoneno of course Nyamira kurukunga His Excellency Nyaribo Amos Nyaribo no ali Nyamira murawa aramutemire kabere gatatu iga I think ne gatatu lakini he still very na bagenda ko begabana bagota kumurusia wa muimbichi lakini anyora ngo survive. Of course the ground for him ngeli buya mono abantu ngo complain barenga bintu binge mbira corona tebede kiagarekera alige abole tyobo gambi na tebede bintu ujogora abantu performance targets.
Yes.
And so far tindo jinge binge bya korreki bya ikiranire bono goranga abantu mbo delivery rake lakini the county is going on. He has done well as Nyagitari na bono Nyamira Hospital. Is it level 5 hospital. If you go to that hospital, at least it's very clean. And the services about streamline it, of course. I think the CC is doing a good job. And the problem could be the medicines, the drugs and all that. Because in a woman talk and we and we and so on. Lakini after some time wadenga Mario Tayo habite likuwa ndio yoskimatali. And that's why those chemists are doing very well, because a number of patients actually go to buy.
Ekirumuske International Sombra Matilda. This is now the 4th year yoburai. Maite miaka ya elire ne yoburai entundei ase Nyamira abarai ba Nyamira bacholi tubona creativity around mwaka menemeti ngete tokoro burai botendo bacholi banene. What do you think performance yabo kirukuge chibarai bonsi from the ward representatives, national government, county executive barai bonsi wacho Nyamira nonga kiro chenkura tebe gasia kolekande miaki escokadi nirebia
na harikota ko ba magisia ko ba inya ikomi because you know when we are talking about MCS,
yes,
no to wachaka boli bwa insepi abantu bali mate na bali ground bali na abantu kabisa bali in touch.
Yes,
well, you find that most roads are not passable, particularly during this time of rains. Nembule utuga wana bokora abantu bakobeke chibicha kabisa una bako libaita. Meaning that miake ya nemegima mora mubege tubi na bale kobeka lioli ko banyorokerereti.
All right.
At one point yo na golete biragite binge sana. Nyaribo, there was such a project, I think, to karora jigari chindene jikorokunga gwan jitiba chikuchi mukeme changale ne chibeke chigari yani chipara. But as we most of general observation is most roads in Chile waraki njiriweteka and that's not the problem.
All right.
Yeah. What else can we say about the members of parliament?
Yes.
Gisairo generally is doing well. Recently na install estimalia kapekera abantu babalia kurwa se principe ya Nyabururu ekorwa gachubeli onse akabeke stima. And he has done well even installing some offices within the county.
Yes.
And some tarmac roads. Like now the road between This place is called what? Kemera. Kogenda wichia keroka lakini osokera iga Kerongo. Virongo. Sorry, Virongo. That road is being done and has been done very well. Lere karukuru kigati ogosoa kigati togo ja town aga paye pass ka beira
ali Musa eskuru
ensa ali nyame miso wa da nyame misali what chomugonjoro. So you avoid the jam here town. At least some things have been done in what do you call it, Masaba. Kitutu Masaba, you know, is in Nyamira. Then North Mugirango, we are thinking of a university there. The president has made pronouncements several times that the Nyamira University College should be established. Of course, we can have university.
Yes.
The contractor is on the ground. When the president is coming next week, I'm been told he's coming. That is one of the things I wish could get it. And you want to know to Mugrang actually kunete borabu maete kwerende liakiabo nyoruge like in between. Borabu, I mean, for North Mugrang has done very well because a university is like a county, by the way. Because the moment you establish a university, as I told you last time, that place is completely changed. A university is a game changer. Ikiagara wantongo somabaro, wantongo likubaroro, a business in a big flourish around because I want to menya abogore binto na nini. So that place is completely changed, and that is what the member of parliament has done. I think he's being assisted by the member of parliament of West Mugirango. Steve is doing very well also as a establishment of that university. Lakini uma the general ground here Nyamira ngelinga abantu baligererating is it ragito yoroka ekeusi etamu na gido yoroka etamu ya kabero marakabero was maredimu. I want to think you understand what I mean. And
to my thing and you nere rogotera.
My toisikutika to ligerina oyaleta tuta more one time to development you na talk about epo konyarora. My day you see something the way you think about it. If I think usariko no move no kwana again to think of
course
think you.
Yes.
So there are some things even those who are in two time have done well. And there are some things even those who are in one time have done but well. Like now the university I can always say it is good. Station area here Akarea correct to survey in Ritanganipi Ikonge was captured. Like in one recently we are being told it has been taken elsewhere. And that one is really a very serious problem. When the president comes, we can be able to articulate that issue. Because people are very comfortable with a station being in where Ikonge.
Okay, thank you. Matilda.
Yes, Daktari wakonere amagendranda ke West Mugirango North Mugirango ane mono wasingirire buno bono a project ye university ko be kwa county ya Nyamira na ekiro tukurigire gati yabara yaba igatwarore criticism ire no nyira semitandao na umujumbe wa West Mugirango na boigo North Mugirango andake samangana in terms of infrastructure mono ye chipara akorokananga mbara beka abantu bia kiro kingira nyaro kwanira especially kurwa chipara chikurwa as serikali ene negose chiko waka chugwetera smurobelio CDF.
Of course, when the president visited Nyamira about a year ago, na kwana the chipara chinyingi sana chirosiku. And I can even list them if you so wish, but there are many. Like Seitali Paranero kwanza kurunyamaiya Egueta Mabaliri Yaganda Kiabanyoru, that is one of the roads which were being mentioned when the president came over.
Right.
Of course, Paranere Kurwa Karole Kebirigo Kebirigo Wachamata Ekoganda which Mago Ekanda which Yanyakiminja Yakuwata Magombo.
Yes.
I'm told that road near contracted. Yani go say airu monta yerosi. So far no to kwa na gatindo chigo se ya chakri. and Steve used to talk about it so much. So I got president we are hopeful ngarende na bara ikalia atebe na tige chake, and people are just watching so that rende pale ya koreki ebe bara nere buna bana wocha basonga iga autore ningo chire kubwata Nyamira kurwa mutemo mwamu wechimanga. You know, yani manga ne town gete ngorosana no ene chikoti cha chintanga ni chiri cha bakoroni no chia ringi manga true, lakini bono manga teri ko kombiti ne bitao ni bia chakalero no embo baracho gera ibwe because pale litakore hente tekore teyo people are not able to access that. So he talked about those roads na gisi a number of them chinyingi cha chakre. The other thing that we have is a project industrial park, which I'm not very sure what it means. Sironga. Because they have not come out clearly to tell people which products are they going to sell or which services they are going to give. In a number of times I've tried to tell us exactly the objectives of this project. Na bondo je bakuna korosie ebioski ebialia Sironga, and it's like they have invested so much kiara na bono chimoro munini asali matenetente so that the ground gekongeba nguna korosi wali. So that is what's happening in Nyamira. That's what's happening in Nyamira. So you are talking about the member of parliament of, you know why I mentioned the two members of parliament were not in West Mugirango is because abanabwa bago support president here the sitting.
Yes, kama konyoranga aba menye bakwe boli na inki bago sirere serikali na ekiroto kuri buna budget ya eta gose chibese cyanyara ko bwato kwa se financial year yego chikoera bono amangana yichipara mbaligerere mu separa chivekire mono na kiki na boli.
But we have already said it out, the roads which they want to do. Lakini tuasiumunge budget ye chomuti nyosita chipale chinchibe captured. We are just assuming because we have not seen the budget as well. This being discussed. So baise kuchibeke se budget ye muti nyosita wata survive because at the end of the day watu watawauliza ebinde mwa debete mwa bikolete. Daktari
Kinanda. Uno mwakukane osoire buburai tutebe nyumujumbe tabegete pale igai budget buya tekoliria abananchi bararamekire sana matukatike to mwako yo monimiti nyimekeiga ne chikoba advantage nebe into king enchena na saba menyi for example West Mugirango.
These members of parliament so when you elected as we talk next year is very crucial for that person. And one ga bali gireti ku mutunga ngakitoko kora to choru obugambi no buya sana no buansu muntu tayo tagate ko tigata kora ta choru. I am sure ngako yo tigarete abanda na bara siko benefit sana no ni president ngara goja njena rote ya ndo amindora gi muraira ngorake imanyete abandi na mo ye card nayo bwata no mufuko begete lakini muraira ngorake toro usendo nyore binto bike abi wecha Nyamira kiara Nyamira as we talk as well nere magasi magendero as each county chinde and equally and ekarogoli Nyamira is a county water resources professional simbaro. We have the tea industry into the water actually chai nyinge ko bwana nonye Kisii county lakini bono Nyamira seems to be magega. So let the president come and even tell us on issues chai kiagara unabone chai nja digolinde betuya abantu bakabande ngaranga bali yose no muchimeno bakarusie chai. No, we don't go that direction. What we only need to do after the winga how we it really ngaki chai raba konye kiagara ngaki county ndera ali chiba sinyinge yendeli chinke why marabatu watambabe.
Daktari amangana yo kwa na yuno manyibo mangana ya magendero na siasa andake uno som emuraibu nsobere gago talere county ya Kisii na Nyamira so ngoro gusi, and in fact he has promised a lot of things ibin tebinge sana biabe kirwe ebinge ebyabagande bakotebanga bya kontumbira ikirana. Some of them ayibuka kwa konde ebintumbira achetaga kwa na mbira ikirana paka bono bige. What do you think etali ya yegocha ni bwatu bwanso so mugusi gusena anda guchukwa ne binde biri bitarika na bali biri akwanete nkyukito mugusi alengera tabaguriti.
This what the neri ya omba etote byo mwana nga ninje kola terege ntoleta na the next time
na ndo chigo chote
ndo chigo ja koranga kero kende toli serious lakini njitigante veiga giagara nje no mufanyikazi wa serikali.
Yes.
Okay, tigache atebe ngi pale elia gusige ntugiri atebe ta korosia ebesa wa abete konye besa tera itigwa. Right? You can always explain nganginta go re getamtam. Let him come and tell people pale yena atebe tera lakini I'm sorry tera koruga. Ose nyagetali na atebe te koruga lakini tera ba. Lakini kwa jakirenga kietega usijibesa acha kega bu yani something that can convince people ngaya na bwate plan yo koraki yo korosi genteke. So he can still explain himself when he comes over, but still as one and the same thing and around the bakumayanga gere bano kawaida nga you simply come and talk and go. So the president should be able to defend himself when he comes next week. He should explain. Although I think we should say it is not zero as such, because I've told even the university is under construction. That one is being done. Nyaramba, which is one of the roads which we want to be done at the university, and I think the members of parliament have really said that one out very well. So
mbio mwana sana omanyite aye ni gore omworokia ni goro mumanyia samangana yechisemi ekiro kurigireya orukongorwa usi tugochakane county ya Nyamira timenyitinga ekiro kurigireya nsemo sector yechisemi nonye siasa ya bire nyinge abantu nkonyora abale chisemi chiri chibwenerete nabo ekiro kurigire nonye learning institutions chira se county eri kogo kiwole apart from a university agendete kwagacho
this what the yake alta sema yane nje mwalimu wa mwalimu wa school
umo yechisemi
wejisemi Nyamira every county apart from Gisairo
every constituency
sorry ne boate polytechnic West Mugirango ne boate aiga goja miruka mate kwerende ne boate burabu ne boate elitokoro kana ndi kwasa burabu
na Kitutu Masaba ne boate
ereri
Kitutu ya Gisairo ne boate nero
yes Kitutu Masaba
just boate bondo if that means tertiary education is well taken care of nyot boate Jones ya Gisairo na rontara manyegia
ne boate
kwa Kitutu Masaba politics
nga yere wechi yose okay fine
ere mungoni yali
you can be sure that mwalimu rentimaiti but I want to say that's good
no irange na buya by the
enyere
irange na buya kabisa.
So we are covered in tertiary institutions skills ejicha bana bano carpentry what they are covered a university nero yotoracha Bosongo is getting congested because of the number of kids that are coming over and ere town gati bona wandaba yanjite na programs we over are very competitive. So Nyamira tebu at university schools ndobu at national schools you at national status Keviru High School as national status Keviru ni Sironga Nyambaria is another school. So at least at the national level ndobu at school chire chiwa attract abana from other counties and extra county schools. Boro ji school ejichinse tokuranga sub county schools nchiro. The problem is that a number of them are not performing now. Unabona iliba kora selection ya grade 10 akonyore school debu atigire bana mbali gocha ba grade 10 ya baroyo mu babere batato 10 and they were saying the system ya selection era ya lenge biased. It was taking kids to extra county schools and even they were going pathways. These smaller schools may not have enough pathways because of the facilities. Well, no, the sub-county schools have really suffered. But I want to say this. Nyamira, we are doing well in terms of education because you could see a number of children going to universities and even colleges. And professionally, as I said, of course, we may have some we may not have statistical information, but observation indicates in Nyamira the professionals are more compared to Kisii. I'm sure we are doing very well. You know, take a look at Borabu. Most of them stay in Eskimo and Kisii. But since they are staying with us, they are ours. And we have a number of professionals on those sides. We have actually formed a group called Nyamira Professional Association, and we have tried to capture all professionals in Nyamira. So,
on the same note,
I want to say that we are doing well in terms of education.
Yes, Daktari, on the same note, professionals na wako toka bange na boigo babire embrace teri kone kimuna Nyamira yakinire ikiagira abasomu batokire abana ngosoma bale chiskuru totebengo kolichire bia abasomu abayekero bakulire ngakibago konye county yenyene esibaruiti gusezi bamenyete.
You see, you have to work with the policymakers. You may be a teacher like I am, but if you cannot link to administration, or leadership. And in this case, I mean political leadership.
Daktari asencho mama tegerete gali na sokoro ngani tio obeteme kolete kigusige kechire to ligere omungina uri Nyamira gali ta kuminga ngakibono mwaunchuraiga
obe yadi nalo te na ki ekere ole omuntu asomerete egento gete kiara bantu basomerete bintu aho bana buna utukoroka
professionals, yes, abasomo
ne mwabo linga ngaki para konye
county Nyamira gukina
county ya Nyamira gukina oma edebu ande nakinanga batebelinga for us ko konye county,
yes,
of course we got to work in a county,
yes,
ikiagera ebinte binge bikope bikorosikwa nonye ne para nonye na masomo yani nonye chiskuru nonye ne chi polytechnic echo nonye chi university. Usually iko biko ba yani botambe biko letu na abantu bali bakorukunga abana siasa chi politician leaders na babo chigabana and so on bono chigabana chinyore nchikorangeria bantu apache these professionals and ba ye profession bali ka bantu bali chi professional aseria nyore ne masomo bali ko monto se minister bwe chisemi. That is the only way barakine lakini wana konyoranga liba kandro use separation obugambi bwe county ne professional abande bakameyeta Nairobi abande bakameyeta America abande bakameyeta wherever, and that's why tu atebanga tigato chake keombe ekorokunga Nyamira Professional Association and the ankenene no connect na leadership so bogambi,
yes,
we county so that okonye county
ingenti kuira na aseli boli kwa boli omurali mintoke mto Matilda ikisemye kiga buna yoro mwalimu sayo munyamiro ikaranse tali umungino ga kalegose mabalire mungu wakali West Mugirango igoroga libunya matuta naisa negetenga inchuno muiburu Nyamira na ando mungina ngwakani bango Nyamira umwana onenkonyorale chisem chiri standard as Nyamira ale toginga chisem chi abana baitu Nyamira chirebu ya chiskuru ECD classes ebintu chi primary junior secondary chisem generally naisa nekinga abana konyora bachisem chingi yagose nguchi yarutwara na ando bote otondera chikaundi chiri chisikunga umwana onale kuri Nyamira ngende chikona bako babya.
Of course abana babake ababa primary abange bagosoma county mali mbaransa kogenda boarding schools igonda toda nga school nyinge njirarosiwa baka chikere standard yetakeira igendongira igatokuruka nga competence based education a system welinya that system wenengire pi na ndi country cha implement the system welia chia gendera ile sana kiagara by the time mwana akogenda through omwana uina ba akoba very creative innovative o come up with applications chiko konye country hiyo. But the problem to what then this competence based education ebintu biri bitakere ko be kujisukuru jiria mbiana ko beko so that aliora amanya kumanyanga umwana pathway kyako genda wichi mbiyo. In fact these primary schools chiku school ya primary iko jira una jiarenge nyore njira kujinjira kya wujize iko jira una jiarenge na stiri grasi na bokere na kere computers inchiyo bintu byo kujesera mbiyo music instruments inchiyo ijagara no nyen creative art ne roro and very many other things binte bimbiyo bona bana bagosoma kama kawaida. The problem we have now, particularly public schools, a system where you might assessment yaye teliko beka competition yelingo yawe number 1 number 2 number 3 nabanda bange karaba manyire nga competition teyo ndorigo chikoba compare di school echibere uswata usichikuru njiro chikoba kuligere linga ne liya korabu ya ne liya korabu be abanda bange ba relaxed, particularly the teachers, because competition teyo ono we are worried dinga yani tukumitina banaba and that can be a national problem. Abana bekera bagoja kugina bagoja ku form yani grade primary school bagoja ku primary school bakonda junior and then secondary.
Yes,
babuate information ego yani knowledge ego chiko bagoja tenera bakore junior wazeba bakore secondary. That's what we are worried about. Yes. And arajira around checking what is happening kiara nimbate school.
Yes,
Nyamira na njengo implement your CBE egara ngoliye system area or the curriculum is very demanding. And the parents mbara yani serikali tara toma pesa chiko koko yani chikolete binte se primary school and even secondary schools ikiara bona kara tu under grade 10 abarimu abange mbalistiria abakoro bajage retouring, but I'm sure the bank bakore retouring, right? But I understand the CBE, how it is being taught and the second language, because they have not understood it well. Abaga ndete was munaliria
bagasomiri 844
and soon 3 years from now ngojabale university. I don't know how we are prepared, but ile ndo wate window katima torale was ngotuni tole to the new system. But yeah, jira secondary and most secondary school teachers, my colleagues, bange mbarawa retooled. That's the problem. Wase mbara unjurwa badigelia system ibatigelia mkoro. You reverse the teachers. Yes. To the new system. To the new system. So I should thinking umibuli okareka alima baliri whatever. Of course kiagara atama edinga nkire atama nyeti the new system also na bara beta manya gosenga mwana otari waswami kuya, so they may be comfortable na wara yanga umwana ne skuru akale lakini mba manya gosena nyora nkiachero inanyora masomo ali atakire.
Okay.
Daktari asenganiyo bono aba ntubwate aba rai bacholire bono the MPs kurwa ase county ya Nyamira, county ya Kisii na bwo ntubwate no nyaba governor banyina ntubwata ba MCA their role gose insiasa kibara ake gose mbintu kibara mbitambo kiro kibara nyaro kuimukia kwani kibuna bono sector buna bono yechisemi ya nyari gusiro ikiagira bono ntokumurikira skuru gete gose ntokumurikira region gete yoka para bwero li abona kirabe abara ibachorire bari asebiro.
You know the of course rende umura inyo ekaro umuntu akuri chikura abange bakora siasa and siasa is na kyuko convince abantu gusoko baonjera batebe nayo rumya to isikwa ka siasa yoka abatora bento konya abantu ikiagara na bora agende school origereri otebenga igente school yetagete ne lab, right? But a lab they go konya abantu barona gwakorire gento. I think oyetige ogore gento gete kiragere abantu barolenga Gisairo amefanya Osariga amefanya something right by paint na bora paint no in school oye paint yo rosie ke gita but ekaro ko lige priority eke gita na bagara abengeba a priority at that particular time lakini wo manye dinga eke gita no abantu bawareke bagwetera ba ranga okemwa okolire egasi school gete. So and that is now the greatest challenge we have. Politician uri loranga inse okole ke bandu ba kora usina kolire kiagara after all we can't allegra a ground because of that now politicians ya bange mbaliko ligerelia mbaliko ligeri bintebi korosi class. So when you want to do a class, the school doesn't have land. They want to move on to money. Okoroje class ke gienso ma te kere buango ko bwekera wo chake koroba. But you see the moment you go bwekera class ke giense school eyo plan ya which the 10 years plan kwa yeitire. Igiagara tele go chiko tuara se go chiko expand go chi. Assuming irende bole momori abora gore na na bora banya bantu mataiti konia usiga ga mugondo to koleki. Teyo. Oh no. O advice ya bandu ngatiga to umurire. You know ekero kali building ya permanent the moment you kumuraiga ukumuro gukwa kwa rosi no mitatu jari. One somebody will go for evirasi bitatu na kubia kerangi immediately so that abantu batebe akolire. Bono abantu ko ba genuine. Our politicians yani ko bubu maene ko ruan kora ya boyim nero to what the greatest challenge and again the issue of looking for yani yokoriya abantu baminto no bakongu bolega economy nembe sana then you talk to them no nyambo tuko wababi besa bike mambi ba wakire chinkobi egento gete right in a challenge to what not and not only we see maybe I may think it is national but no we need to change. I am happy abana abakurunga Gen Z baite and Gen Z you have heard of them abana bo my teenage product iricha Kibaki kare Kibaki aja gete university nyinge they were able to go to university bono abale informed na bora ngainda gina at the end of the yani ora batebi ngento gete oba echibese lakini mambi ba make a decision yani ba make a decision ya bakole the right thing and people should watch that generation come next year 2027. So I don't know whether I answered the question. It was about what na sasa usena
iri bori eli alengi buna bara ya baiga bachorire birogo na ki role baranyare go play ko ne kibuna sector bune yiga yechisem
ya the role they should play like MCS uma tembo boate chipasari ade hebo tugi kwa na bara bana chipasari bali batari ko nyara pi batari ko nyara and bali bara bangai you know you look at some parameters when you are giving out the bursaries. I am told the bursary ne ko we governor bursary chiria can support abana bali bakuru mechiria makongo when it comes to but one MCS ngorangali ngamba bo atibesa chikwa acha no imbirasi probably ni bursary bakuru tindara what new MCA ko agachire biras but again they can mobilize funds maybe through fund drive. But let me look at the members of parliament wherever they are key. Ikiara CDF yabo works perfectly. Babu ate chipasari na wakwaga cha ebirasi particularly right now all secondary schools and even junior secondary schools kita kirich computer. Actually junior secondary schools they even need labs. They don't need very big labs as such, but some chilab lendo kora demonstrations. Kiagara some chitobi kinchire cha kabeire high school cha retire junior secondary gere as a primary cha katwale lab nonya. So na bumuntu na wakwenda ba unjule class babike some items lab equipment ba ko korera demonstrations demonstration inelionga ukuorokia umuntu baba bange lakini ba kwa borokia gente na wara mba kora bonse but nabo kubadenga nabo oxygen yako ba prepare diga. Okay, most schools bona as we talk they don't have that. Bona let the members of parliament wali gelinga ki junior secondary schools ngitora akore baka actually chiba junior secondary school. How are those kids going to be taught science? Wali gereli baba go some equipment kidogo music. Yeah, we also have that pathway. And in that case baba konyire kwerende baba konyira masomo.
Daktari, siasa ngo affected chiseme au no manyi wiseme unabona igoro che siasa chia chakiri gwa kalibirira. Do you think chise sector ngo very affected? Siasa na masomo mbi no bi separate ikiagera abanya siasa na ubakubeka na ubaku decide yani na ubakubeka bakrosi bako make decisions chigo affect ya amasomo na ubako tebanga ikirasi kwanya koraba ikirasi kwa gaju na banda banga utatiga abanya siasa. So siasa really affects amasomo na ndi siasa telimbe ikiara is all about leadership. Okay, so tukunyara kuatana na amasomo na siasa unabona liogie ligo chigoja. Of course people we kabakore campaign and abantu bali focused on yani abantu bali geretiko ko choru nainde direction bona ujimutua ibintu biko korwo jagera na thugwana iga ujimutua bona ne biyo kworokia abantu ngana gokoreide trochi baro sie para no ene ya kwande school tari school elia te buata access siasa go ya affect kiagero muntu ko jaro no munya siasa. Okay, abantu ba website ko ruga county na banya siasa. So school elia te buati birasi bya gule abantu bakora sina banya siasa. So siasa and education you cannot separate to nya go biatan. Like as we move forward, people may the politicians we all know abange na teteri masomo ko bawo kurigeli ngiye go chiko bakonya okareki bachorna no even if it means ko kurigia bangi na maro kwanya ko bai pesa bika lakini our mothers are very clever. I don't want to say to intimidate them here, or rather to demean them. Ikiagara na barumba manye tenga jiba se chiokotoa bana baraji ndugiye baraji school. They will always tell politicians inga mwana one tabu atifisi awujera rai school nonya kwa ngagenteke mwana taragenda school. That is how it is. Yes. So I don't know, that's how I can put it.
Na kiora nyari kuranka ba governor abaitu kura sorobongora gusie mu governor we county kisi na mu governor we county ya Nyamira ekirukurigereria nga in terms of what they have done na boy go no nyesiasa chirichiba bwatiraneti.
You rank them. You say this one is number 1.
No, you are fused.
This one number 2.
You are leaders refuse.
To baveka number 1 number 2 lakini ngakiba kolire.
Kwende ane microphone ane trio kora. Okay.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is this. Umugaba na Bosonga for example. Naroje etauni yenda etumanya kombe liria yonda rengo ndagetinja asimura iganga liria former governor Ongwae nere echakire tauni inkia chenjiri mono kiragere otebengo okorire beta when you go to Nyamira tauni ase governor nebwate office paka borne goma Nyamira tiana gutwara office of the governor bana korosia igaba bakulina alia baso egento kiarose tuno yugi kare omukurukuru bagera karosi wiga tigeru bona kuli usensekedo sin first Friday usen second Friday don't know and I wetera maya ine CEO ye kwerende ye county. So they have not done even their offices where to operate from, although I've seen some buildings coming lakini njana koba all these years amache. You know, these are performance targets. Yeah?
Yes.
Amaje Kisi I still see abamura bagendete go gosomba ebibuyu none kere mbuletwete which means no yeno kwa harvest ya maji bantu barasomi buya how to do water harvesting leave alone go pipe ama amaji and of course ekara bamule banya usuma maji okonyora janse sare kanere ngwetali or na baendete go I don't know sa tikete banyora egasi kurwe gente I don't know. So you can see there is water problem. What about electricity? Because these are performance targets. These politicians and even the governor, last mile, whatever they call it,
connectivity.
Connectivity. How well have we done? Because some homes still in Djibouti steamer. You can talk about the same thing. Of course, there are still more performance targets like health. Chinya Gitari, Irengabaro City, Chinya, right? How many hospitals have they, established new ones? Nande waka simbaroro waka nubari. Ekaroko genda bono na Gitare health center. Ose health center area rugaiga liere chogosari. Medical officer irengashira abanyagitari mbarenga barenga batararikwa, and yet we have those facilities Chitabuati banyagitari priority chabo nchirichi. That's what you ask yourself. Of course we have talked about education, electricity, water, and which other performance targets, roads. Ejuate banga why are still enemy yake na hali chiparange ko bakabone gechinde kitali kweteka ibira kitambia chaga ga nyamira now the number that chituragi nyingi sana bakareta bakanebira kita but ingayiba akodire bayikire ningwetera bono ga bakire. Of course I'm being told they are doing, lakini tima idiwe sino moro mako be komobe because those roads after a few months and enchi jiyo na rongwa na leta like 1 month ago.
Not why
yani Simbarat, sorry. Na leta ibira kite vingi sana, lakini wao leta ibira kita oterekero goro. Of course evidentia goro so that kina otena ki bintu mire to right now and barore right. Kwa leta ibira kita watereka injira and strategically bya bikwa sekete ntomanyeti kurmambi okay no kubinyora bono ani mambi okoera no kubinyora ekero kwa leta kita mbro kwa leta ki mo driver para na chisa John speaker para njira ali endo orosi pali, lakini bono no bira ali very clean timati ko sebi ganyete omonne bugense na dacha abironchi musabi commission which what do they use in the jaga sekit they are very clean mbi achata ke stadium bikatara mura mbara mbamba bakamnyoka igoro arabra bikarudi. So some of these things and time is moving kana kwa te bintu birikuwa bitukwa bitare kari kwa kirayo nengaki anko herere na kiwochi kwa ya want because come next year people will look at what you said the performance indicators they will assess you based on the outcome. Okay, bintu kiwa kwa triwochi kwa ya want umuntu nara oteba ekero kwa lege ntutera smotev people will always see yaramba bwata maiso bakurigere. Oh no, those are the things that's now the problem that we have. And in both counties, I cannot say that this one has done better than the other. Ikiagara abantu tubwate are purely politicians. We don't also managers. Abantu bono batabwati yani babwate batagetoka kwa lebintu but not to survive politically. Serendo ba survive yani bamenye yani bakendere ko ba obogambi abantu gete bakora ibintu as bakora abantu ibintu bono yende kisi level 5 right now is it level 5 it's even Alfaro hospital
level 6
is even Alfaro hospital I think. So if you go there and see nyuete neroya mo what do we say a word Ria Lenko Sene Yantonga is condemned. Somebody told me the whole of that word, if it's not working, to okara admission. Inki simba, inki omaneno itoga iga. Accordingly, immediately to salvage, to akonye anyo renanda accommodation space. do we have building around which can be hired? Uma idina bokwaya no Congo if you want. These patients abaroire wale bagoja naonyesha yuka na bego peye building you think immediately matters to do with your borwaire tulikowanya ngomontacho whatever there is no accommodation ngamoire nyagitari ende andi na nyagitari ito enene so somebody has to be there to assist him amanyenga ekeregente kiangire ko waki what should we do? There is always a solution. You can even go to the nearest building, as I've said. Oyaye, baba admitted this other side. Nababa nyagitari ba cross, and life continues like that. So I want to say, these two counties have not done very well. They have not done very well. Ikiagaro korana, mbachari to what they are thinking. How do I survive politically? And that's the problem. Yeah.
Whatever we need managers, but the problem we have politicians.
Yes. People can manage resources very well for the interest of the people. Yeah.
Yes, ase chikaunti chiga ntobwate professionals mna whatever mbaganirie babe abengencho lakini mbaroro konyora bakeigo mbare qualified staff mbararo ase chikaunti chiga ibere andake barabu ninki kiagere kurugire buna ba director ngonyora omosi isinaro gukore mirimo bia usikwanyora ngano muntu gitekera gusasa track record yae okorire mirimo burungi ninki gekogera ngakiro baikirega mbabwati bono bumanyi buri bwabo ngaini buri babwate mburi gutumeka ko yani kibuna onye no mugava no konyekire county yakonyekire.
Of course the boss is always right. There no monene na role bitaote banabio. Obe to bagiven onyo to ko igubaga. Okole uno manyite. Nando obe facilitated chibase chiko kore egasigete. Tabora betokora. And I want to think that could be the major problem. Ikiagara abanta baita banene go bakumasigorenga ringo ndwensi ole bari kirole nsega a decision back make a final and they make wrong decisions. But no, these professionals who like to na bara ataka kolega asuna bamanyite lakini nyora mbai rubaga itakuwa ngumu bago nyara kokora, and I think that could be the problem.
Mbabu ati independence yo kole
yeah mbabu ati independence ne mbabu ati possible bokora emirime igiagero monene akubate namukora site bono ko kwenda bo mugabana o collect baka sana na yabutu bambio the you have to do this and that. What might you do as what the governor has told you, or you do as what the member of parliament has told you. Assume you are a junior to that. What ta ko ali baga otumie amasomali wakole ntuke wasomete. And interestingly, ironically, abantu abane bakolenga linga they are final and abarabangai no ukarokena kia abanyorobo gabana bose banyoroba mbose bono yondu kwesi ogwana wejinsa most of them they don't listen, but those leaders who have listened and they have embraced professionalism, they have gone very far.
Alright, umwachibuli limbia mno sana sencho niko gada kusagana intuga igasetu ani yagatambe numurubuli gaya maase moto kusagana redakta Ivan Sokemo wa Kenanda uyigano mwalimu bu university na ndeke na tukunya kuligire mwana mange igoro yechi county chiga chiagusi kisi ende Nyamira county ajo mwenyene nabikunyarikana nkiri kuigule uragani komentera gusukwa na intuga iga ntuligu kulina liwaga 0741583878 na 0726447367 yini china bacheito asisimi nensemeli yokutulikira SMS lakini boyige nsemeli mtandao na bukutubuati asugulika na gukora kini yonsi asemitandao yaito
ya Facebook Getembe TV na YouTube naro Getembe TV.
Bono daktari ekero andake tutachi kuireberengera libyomo tegerali mambi yabono tonya kuligiria mangana iga onsi eka tutikali tebara siri robali usi you see gusi in region ngima politically getugukwana twararire tuligelinga asini siasa ya kunire abulimi mangana agriculture twara balimi bakolera ngwa konera Nyamira nero litina lye chai twara balimi bakolema nini. What do you think, what is the problem okugira mulimi ole county ya Kisii, county ya Nyamira akolera, and yet we have resources? What is the problem?
If agriculture is devolved, and I got agriculture in Rich County.
Yes.
As a county government, it was Nyamira. Go kwana igoro ya fertilizer. Oso boyo. Tidara bantu bako ego boyo. Tu some year kende which maiga. To around the agricultural extension officers. Baka entry ground ba check no nya spacing no nya chai. Spacing ya ni bogale kurwa so mutonde kucha so mutonde bekawa. As we talk now, abanda bange iko ba ko lebintu na bamanyete because ndobuati extension officers bono county itu chiare ko banga nchiri geta abantu bagirigacha assuming that agriculture tindara match on tindara o support yo konge kubolemi oja se Kurue county in both counties, and even they don't nande bali kukwana nande banyanga no abantu bakoragera kuru. So bantu baitu mbara explain wa mbara tebigunga ki dirobeli nditake iri mbego kabire, right? Bona bange bagona basimeka bantu chini cyose ija cyaguru kurwa kuretuka jibande nchiko perform usimeka kabire gatatu otaba jamusinya tu mbara de bantu naki tekara jibando jangire cyaro mai dosimeke megondo jibando nyikwira ji like 3 months. Is it possible usimeka nande malibinde biragere turagere yani bikore bwangu nande bigokora samara bayeito so butukimbora akorwa asamara ba mange usia nyoro kana for example bo soroma ate South Mugirango diro balina warabe di ba unelira North Mugirango.
Yes.
Lakini you will see na bako nyorana umuntu South Mugirango no muntu ole North Mugirango ba usimeke ebintu bwekaine. Okay, aba ire no usimeka no usimeka obo tuki weliro ba mbrako ona nyora ko bwata agriculture officers see agriculture as he addressed issues like that meriki wente ko kwaga yani ko kusimekwa bando kitu wente ko gora amanya bwari nara linga yamanya wali yao karabia no ade cha yusimeka kokorere buya gai mbuo yo kyo bwana ta karaki kubeka bona bangina abaganda bagora they will tell you size 19 or what the seats but they will give you all the numbers ba ko monta what chai. And now I want to say this agriculture they perform very well.
Yes.
Because our leaders mbali ani abagamba ito mbali na bantu bakolimo as much as imigonde tayo akawonda kwa gasinini nkakokonya urime na ndo madri chibando chyo kwagose amanya bwali gosiki nonya ni chiombe etugo isoso another yani yense meyo yobole.
Yes.
Nyora tu kunyara ko lenda ngombe because ngombe ndambe gutwara atake bunyasi obonge ebinte binga and all that emboli yaro no lende emboli akawonda ko bwate ngaisa nemboli emboli ngoko rujire zero grazing. So these people should come to the ground, but they are andonga still emboli na boko yakora zero grazing nande mbujimboli njiro nande chibwata mabere una chiombe umetone obongo bolenga amabere wikarwa sengombe. But I know in some counties or even countries chinse jinde chimboli njiro chigo kamwa nande amabere yale nutritious just like
kunya gotebanga no information to the abantu be ground mulemi mwananchi. Who is the problem? Where is the problem? Who should we blame?
I think you cannot blame the farmer because it is the na bagambi went ko enda bachikote ya akara tu akatwalire those agricultural extension officers iko bagajire ground ane mbali ko tebinango chabali they used to come to the ground baligere linonye ne bintu okora in fact nyori cha tu yera wale go togori ba ire jinguru cyo go togori nonye kere bo so that you do the right thing nonye ne kere tu akora tu akasialire eka weri oko they used to come and see whether we are doing that. They used to come and mbaga ajira ba deno to went over
katukulire bono daktari ningo togo blame. Is it the count bosses na ubatara abangi bintu yawi?
If agriculture is devolved and I think it is igana to what is agriculture thank you
the area devolved
if ndo what is agriculture is devolved to blame the county government.
Yes,
because abantu mbako liku batokobisi agriculture is not in the office. You have been to do. Uligereria e county no ngaki farming yako. Chimboni na kijitugire. Chombe na kijitugire. Lakini toko le egali pick up throughout between Emira and Kisii. Or even Nairobi or Kisumu by DM and other things. But told in touch with the farmers kwana ko bali ground bali chiku twate yatuna aiga mungira kora and when akara manyetenga information ye kurwa sumonto somete rule counting utagete agriculture koru there's nothing like that. So what they are doing bali kire bato kobis banegolika chimemo but in reality mbali in touch with wakaso with the county. That's what America about it.
Matilde
tari mangana na ntubwate ase buna bono nkukwireni asingana eri ya chi machinery anamona chokole machipara torore concerns chikuba raised ase abanya konda barabu andake asa abantu gotai gwachikonda neti serikali chiga ibere yachangirire ama gendero kusikwira na magega.
Of course at one point into atatu ngabanda bechikonda bali wakano bali wakano alinde baro sichipale icho na ne chikuru kara every time uko wachake project go ikomuntu yakonda gale nduki ai tokora ibika right. Oh no, last time gara tu achita I think na lina anga about 2 years ago into about there was an outcry abanta which kono ko trabale ngena mbali wakano and you see the way procurement is done is a contract moko agree o wikia segete ngo ajibasinga niga.
All right,
wanu muntu ikia taka kujibasa ote buna gendera Australia na ndeka Australia mano taraba empower dikiara abantu abange bako uchikondo na abantu karogende bara abantu usually kondo wendo kwa abantu be county.
All right,
their income may not be mabatabo na bara betaba manene.
All right,
okay, so impali empowered mbai rijibese.
Yes,
actually no neka roho chaka na wendo ko percentage ke to chakere lakini wate unga chaka liyo kandi when you don't have money you are going to irabako ndo kole gasi to kunyara gukora gasi kuja we got a shortcut and maybe could be the reason why chibara chitakoleriwe kiara bange mbali wakano lakini nto igwetenga ne national government ne rather disperse funds as well. Gavana Simba retenga kiete lakini siku hizi wamenyamaza sana. Meaning that pesa wako nazo.
Yes. Andake mbiomono sana daktari omwanchu muligiri naye yamasema katonye kusagadaye andake aigase studio nubate kindio singa kiru chi siasa chagusi Nyamira county na Kisii county siasa chinga kichiro chechire na ekertugu kwanira amangana siasa Kisii ende Nyamira counties ine what do you think andake asokoro kwa ebintumbi byakolekanire byabeire to the level chibigwente koba mwanchu muligiri andake byabeire ngabigwente koba oroche biga daktari okemwa kenanda agukwanira gaiga ayiro biro chega wasegenyoro mukonyara murobo semi ngakibintu kaendera nabakonya gusanga 92071 583878 0726447367 utokirese biga ya masemo totebi kuri county ya kiroche katokwanira chikaunti chito Kisi ende Nyamira county ayenga kyuchi oburayi bogenderete na mangana siasa ankeni kira kolire akunire amagendero gusenchira okomenya kwa ukole no mwananchi imambi yabono bono daktari.
Yes.
Ekero ukuligerelia wate banga kero kulie both Kisi and Nyamira counties bado stiri kuna kazi iganiri ukoleka.
Yes.
Nkyo mugusi oyibangete bono guchobo choli bogocha agwente gokora iligere andake gukore michande yaroleka ndiboni katurungi umete bono ntulije bocholi bone bogocha boni gwatebiringa Kisi na Nyamira county bado bintu gastera koleka amwana inchi ule kali nki agwente gokora so kwebanga gwa 2027.
Yes, omondo goliyo bugambi
omwana inchi uleka nki agwente gokora si obocholi bogocha.
Yes. Omwana inchi uleka bono iga chinguru to bwate na ndo bana inchi.
Yes.
No chora bagambi na ndo mugambi gochigocha ni ntoko chora otora manjole kera to bwate enkuba
ekirwaniro
that's the right word. Nekirwaniro gitu ne card.
Yes.
Nyoro to bwate card to gochora mugambi utagete so chikadi bono ganchi andate kubwatwa ojagera bono bakumutie baka mutie nyoyo were so ensure no bwate card so that yo chikochora omugambi ura gokonye na bali bakoli kichikura I think abona kyumuntu ntuna abana inji twenda okora tutware card na ende tuligererie nga omuntu yo togochikochora ekera agukwana nkiorocha agukwana gochigotokorera ebinde bakoro ngasera na ndo mate na ukuri omuntu igotebe ngo omuntu yo numara gotebe osingainiria.
Yes.
Kiara bona bantu nabangaini bantu basomire ukuri aro omuntu nguchare kokonya osine chikura akora into ke akorikia so ekina kiyoka tora kore una bana inji tutware card na ndo chore the right person abagambia bono bali biroko tema kuinyura ujimaega nga ingi baba tete bajogara tema kuinyura let us not forget ngamba tebe ngokora bali neki ekera bagocha goji ground next time no ene kera baba ikaransti asigete babu ataka libu bako kwa baboli last time mwato tebetinga utatufanyia hivi na uja fanya tutuambie let us hold them accountable. Ekera bagocha telinga bato tebinga tutawafanyia hivi wakumbushe mulisema mwatebete gotokora mulevi ari murakora ngi murakora
iko mwana nyitara aligeria kabisa kali yako ego ara inyora nkimura ya mutebe
ara inyora murambi yoyo alimwambia nini na alimufanyia
daktari. Let's hear from the listeners and viewers kidogo. Etwadi ya Gatembe, good morning.
Morning to you Nzaligo.
Karibu sana brother, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Wakire byango tusa kadere mambia bono.
Okwa na Francis bawotoka.
Yes, ngaki ebirenga libiago andaka ya tu kwanira bono mambia usande to bura Kisi na Nyamira county.
Karangwa ndio maganyeri kwanza.
Oitabire
mbuyande.
No ngento ngena kuboli. Jengisi county nda lakini nda ko gochumwiza sasa no mwalimu arume to mwalimu ako sabu wa the county.
Yes.
Ona nali kumuboli ngento ngera kwana bunga nekaro muraya gocha go chambale ba gotebanga nali ba gocha kumuboli ngento batageta bakorere. Umurai bwenze ga gocha korigeria bintu bya kwari ugo se ga gocha ko batebinja gocha bakorera.
Bien sana.
Mwalimu ale.
Yes.
Ego baba tebanga free education. Dorama ambi abana bako teri mahambi 12. Free education nero yeye. Ala naende ya gatatu. Ora rende aba chigaba ne chitachorete tokawa chora batokorega.
All right.
Lakini kwa kende taoni kwana orere nja bandu bata baikabata tebinga nande nende ngande antu bairani bono ngaskie bato bachorete nendo no magendero kibona ari Kenya yembuya mono akifrancis ngurukanyim.
Asante mabuli ago angabere tutu abere ikirega Gatebe TV and radio. Hello.
Hello.
Karibu sana. Menteli yogiria go Joseph bona toko igubuya.
Bono kinara goteba.
Aha.
No mora ya kwanda au in fact yo mwana moyo ngoteba ngatiga gendra igo. Era kinende bono ngoteba kunesa moya nyamira nonye abantu bagosaba na iki bakuna korera igoro ya nyari bubieta.
Yes.
Iparangira okonyora itake korosi uno mochumbe. Para boi go bangi n'abantu bayimore te pamne yako kuruguru kwisi ga kyonganyo yagenda go cyesa bayaki gotoko cyabyoto. Wetani ya mote mumwamo e para mne te bwana tikorosi win ko gitara fu igoro ye university yo. Yeda ta banga ongera sane senge jomba ite bakaiwana egachaka. Ona rote para mne dia e kuruguru nya para ibere yaenda gochiese rubugie sai yaenda gochitanganyi e pari mba wena tukunyerera nerero asiwera mi sengejo ne para getera protein tambe sana kona algo sawa nero na veta kereri que wende kerara ire mbiamo
keroro liara ire Joseph Nyawataro kaligoli daktari kiroga taligoli jamono sada machumuli no matega liko mambia ibirgali yakandake ayetu akwanire amagendero oborai na siasa chia kisire nyamira county andaka sibirgali byago. Would you think mbuya bire bintu bya byokoleka na mambia bono bugutukwanira imambia bono mase moto eli bagaje yo monyene onye trato ibirgali byago birgali byo nibincho sana bono mambia kwiranda somenye gitali andake ntabuguli bire satu nande badai amabuli narabuli gugau andake inkyura kore reaction imambia daktari.
Yes. Aso mwana yo minto bodi diswa litanga ninga keromo monere bwinza goja ko igore binto biria akoriro za goja kevinde. Of course na bawo kora bot. Kara janyo le mbiro bia elire. Na akubigora. Na ndi nyore binde mbiro abarai baito baramutebi gyagera ekera gocha the members of parliament will be there. Bakabatu ale meeting na abantu ba members of parliament. Bakabatu ale meeting na chigavana. Alafu anamwambia akikuja kwa ground anajua ni kitu gani atafanya nini. Ataongea. So mbirara baramutebi unaona issue ya airport for example. Akiaba kuzitu ajandikiro because right now bona natukwa na mundu akwenda baka Kisumu umawe chikonyole ndege koraki ogenda tuatabire boire igoro ya airport in Kenya yani ni Kisland abanyamira ebe bosongo abungusi abantu abana ni vile tu the water county bere ba kwande boire igoro ye airport yo ngajinde bateba suneka ngajinde bateba wapi lakini rende tindangara tina kusite bwati space asito bwana takorosi airport ne bango chiga iga tuatebete wichi nyanguso gali so long as asigitara accessible mundu ragende ogende Nairobi kiagara bono Kisumu naro itaskota coast iko ogende ne gali baka Kisumu alafu unaona hiyo shida so abagambi baito bono bali baguchi kugamba nere kiagara also told I might be one of them as professionals. Kinda nyoli baga nitaongea na president mambo ya airport sana because najua hiyo tumeumia boni ngendo nekyo igaguchi kugechaka kiara njitindo je mwakwa na mata asunika ile wezi sio airport na tena especially nenke tugutuara airport maybe togene nyanguso na anda bantu batige obonje because kila mtu anataka airport ikuwe karibu na kwao because atakete politically atuare chikwerende ponga points ataligire tinga space ya kukwana na isaini unaona hata basironga of course the space is quite big lakini ikwerende area netende na vera bete to do a airport at Sironga it's so expensive lakini Nyangusu is a dry place and then space ni roro.
Alright.
Lakini wana bantu batenga tigera ala Nyamira nga gitwanyira kisi ni Nyamira abana bantamo. So the president abara achara onchi chine ne chinda commission. Lakini njiri chichi alire the members of parliament should be able to identify and bakoni bisia bantu nga chairi but yego na ko ire president kunya koronchi bintu bike bintu ibwato so like every market iga something that maybe irete cost yani rende about 5 million project ma the project injire president when let ko launch yani chisa ine president ida bwati so so bali ye project boli ba ko te president ye kole ntuke launch keroka hospital ngorengeli ya ilia yondale ko te ba naitwa Nyaribu ilia ko te ana watoto whatever hiyo story mulisikia ile hospital imesha so ile akilaunch if we goes there and opens that current hospital area na bantu bakoranga yaya this one avisa ni munduki the president something like that.
All right.
And nakuwa na igoro ya free education. Of course it is a government policy. No ligerelia as vitabu vya masomo ni government policy na bana batu are free education but this one teri Nyamira ke egente ke affect the nation ingima abanda bange mbabu ati of course chibasa bakwira bana school because nanda agene ba hotel karuchi basegete okay unabona ichi endagera school na ichi day school the government gives a given percentage lakini we komo ibuli arugendo ke aruchi basichi chiendagera ejira like 9,000 most schools say chibwata 9,000 by year some parents na wala ba bebo raise the 9,000 lakini out of this money CDF should come in. However, in future if you are saying we are offering free education, why should you not give chibasa bakechia ichukuraga because that is free education na kia kwa free kia gara mwana ta goja skuru abe bosata rikoraga so hiyo government iangalie baadaye and I think the president should be advised if he is offering free education let this money chikorunga koraga chibe included linde burden yeruwe asabe he was talking about governors not doing their work. I think we have talked much about these governors. Ikiagara to concentrate asichi hotel choka utali kwa underground. I think mumana ro kuri chikura mwana mtona ara kuri chikura for Fred. Obo Fred no matter what I mean.
And Dr. Matiangi. Yes.
Agara ringe minister. Take for example education where he did very well. Ugwa kwa manyo no ale
ground.
Ali parade ali una kumbe yani ange no mwane parade. The headmaster is addressing students and yet the minister is around. Yani he could go to the ground you check na again taking care of it kuna yani ngekodo na yata kile.
Oh yes.
Even at one time he went to a school akaboringa chibase just DF and chibase chikwa yetu na serikali gento kikia koleta chikoli ile karanga chibase chiria chiri gente kikorre ngeli
wapi equivalent to
chibase yakoleta bona chikawa na ji account na akasa in fact in 2 days or even 1 day
white school choice
and orale use na buwe da school choice orale usaba chibase chiri kwa ruete project ilikuwa ruete ya chikorosi usene na class get as it been done the member parliament should also do that.
So according to you our governors both Kisii and Nyamira counties bange barali kasi
okay what supervision is
about supervision enough
supervision is poorest mbali kwa underground timati ko sawa kwa because or 10 million anora ganto karo si ngali ga 10 million na woso kwa kwenda akiyo chikote ya bandonga I gave 10 million and this is what has been done. So when you are not doing the right thing to ko nyara ko and I want to think they even no ngana buenta ko ndorore ngi pare na kiaro setu lakini nyore pare liaje de karosi kunande chiba sia bege tunchi tu na chiarenge na yo to ke ngana ole part of corruption kwa ngusire chinde to ko genda and I want to think that could be the reason why they are not going.
All right.
I was about anko barole ba kutara if asba weta ne ram nende bakke igora the two governors to konyolekera bali ground ya Seraph Road na bro bakwamite na tukwamite
Kolenginga omwanchumulili ngo kwandeli baga jisimi ibere igacho kasamabuli gonande ketongera usangara kini ndara ndali essence mu ya Facebook andake Matilda mbali bali kire tukwanere ngo bali batugite somoro buli bono mambia setwani yagetembe
asi omutandao Facebook bari kire ujumbe chabo kuchiga ase studio kuna bono oiga Mosetino Saint Kibande Sokoro atabakoro Nyamira County na mama Keruth agotabanga kurwa maviria no aleme yomorobelyo bana basket baso ombati onyare Geoffrey ombati nabogo nafta Juma Eric Nyamao Isaac Nyachae Skola Magutu nabogo Thaddeus Afali George Osoro agotabanga nere no ale ime yomorobelyo na enengo yobokima nere agotehono ale Valerie Kayai Vabi agotebano ale me yomorobelyo Godfrey Anyoga agotokoro boge kanyosia watching you live na Lameko Mariba wata Bluetooth senior kurwa marani bochi mama Keruth kurwa Mariba Edwin Machave agota kurwa Kisi Mwembe watching live Jane agota morning to all fans agota bonga no ale me yomorobelyo Christopher Tandi agota bonga kurwa Kinyambi ni familia Fred Moga agota bonga kurwa Nyakinyo Misia agota bonga yuko ndani Stephen Momanyi agota bonga Bwakire agota watching you live kurwa Jogo Kisi County Lucy Shem agota kurwa South Mugirango tuko pamoja akairi Joel Mogere agota good morning kurwa Riana niko tionde ena
Koleginga mama Keruth nigakulika kurwa mabiria talia maliba yes thank you oyo ndana ule kulikaga iga thank you Matilda oyo nale kulika getembe Dr. Okemwa seems to be informed and honest nalengere tukubulia Keroke ni Nyamira ali no ikubo governor. That's a question. Utairaneli tianyoro yodega iga getemba lo
Hello Zarigo na madiri tabu akire
bya no tuna Daktari Okemwa Kinanda
oyo naragyo mkoro kwa mkokelina
mbya mono sana karibu
na mambabu atatibu yabona magara ya iko ainguro ruro wasemia obuja sana na watu bategerete
asante sana mbya mono sana orogyo mboro thank you asante sana congratulations na tabunga ako pamoja nasi listen and watching asante sana juju beja chinge sana by day bantu ange batatu babuli embuliri mwalimu Dr. BHD na bwatoko gani gukura Nyamira na ndo yondo buliri gaiga daktari kwanyako swa siasa ndo chokukwana bya are you having an aim of political seat na ali swali ndili yakane yiko babuli abange sana let me ask you kino otoko chake daktari ndoto ya nyagoche
yes kera ngakinko genda ground
yes
ngogenda ka na attend the function no nyambari of functions abanda wange bakomulinga no tagetekero timaiti abantu baito ngaki of late vale bakomboli mono sana nga na naye abantu bantenga no naye wesanire ubanda takobe a member of parliament go say a governor or something like that not 2027 I must not 2027 I think 2032
you think about
and abonda is kolengereria lakini ndatebe egara tu akore chikule cha 2027 na bongo chote ya ndo amindonga nyora mwaro direnga nimba koregas honestly kurwa senkora yani elinde mbakonye unebwanirete turusia abantu boko ba PR yani abantu gete bakole bindiri nda abantu barara lakini which mayagamba koreti na bongo bate ban consider for a position like not this time to 2027 I'm a bit late egirawunding na bongo na wonye gotara ndo bamindo na batenga linde in future na umuwende kundigirira andoro guseni nanjeni inkonya abantu
igebi bakolika barakubuli
baramboli abandi
oira ne iri arabuye ko moncho murigereri no igwete ngatebire lakini bone igaro mwana inchi kawaida umwakie kura ngo chinga kiende anyway thank you very much ndu chiga chisu chikutumyo kirage lakini ndene abatoli kuri Kisi ende Nyamira County guikatu igore asininiga ndaga ndi ukubolinga keroto kurigereria buya omugusi what is preparation yomugusi busyo bucholi bonena any government officer lakini nganchiro koira ni liswali liga omugusi boniga ngaki ale ase mangana kertukuligelie birengo bya siasa n'oburai yakora ketu kwanega sai tuigura mugusi gakonyogoteba na into mugusi tu asokiro mwana ito mugusi tu akolirega. We want also to shine as top leadership. What's your take on that, Daktari?
Yes, not only my take but the abantu. Yes. Garoko on the ground abantu baito mbara wayanga omumuro ito so mwana ito that's na wagutumiego mwana ito kurunga Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Yes.
Abantu bamwanjire nonye karatu aligereri chikure chichiko cy'abantu ba ikikorunga ba kirinde cya research igale iguru sana bono mwana oganchirwe aye buno omonyene to kwango mwana so ground igabona to kwana igatiga nonye nonda nonye kindo muntu bwa serikali nonye ngo support abantu bande batagete tano tena igoraro asigusia the ground na mukwana kende yonse elieta ligo etagaiga ne li mwana mintoga ukurunga Fred
Matiang'i
Okengo Matiang'i chikura cy'abantu baitu bakuru getunu abantu baitu bakuru getunu na miti abande last Friday.
Yes.
Nonya barenga bake abantu balia egendo barengerera tino mwana oyo nera barocho ora konye Kenya siaikire bantu bange bali comfortable ne na number 1 ni serikali ne ato okora lakini wikaba mote vyo maere agi bantu bange bali comfortable ne binto akodire.
All right.
They feeling there should be what a change lakini nagwa na bunyore kunyore tena tebana abantu bali insa abande bakumusupport kero kende barakora ibintu to kale gendo kike to ba support to baire tano tena lakini goro abagusina to kwana iga o change okwane kwende lietali ngao na bora tuaro bokongusana go utwale ground ikono na bali ba okwana ngatuta megera bakwenda ba ku prepare baranga inere bara liya murabachi ko kabusa lakini was we talk currently in sync ma generally yani Kenya mbatagete change.
All right.
Daktari kero to okora ai buno mukoli mirimo bwa serikali no re proud ko mukoli mirimo bwa serikali na boigo no raga ni guse no raga to gosemeria abakore emirimo ne serikali.
By the way, we must work with the government because the government keeps on changing.
Yes.
Nduri gojigotika ko kolega sia serikali. My the serikali is not one person. You say number 1 yuri atachorete.
Yes.
Serikali ne gentekene. Bono iga egendo gesumbweta abantu maite mambo ya payslip ande yonde abwende kumanya our president. People are not comfortable, particularly the working class. A payslip ya nguro irubobe keusi. Ya nguro irwe. Ebintu gorukunga affordable housing levy. Bantu mbara understanding into kilipa kabona because to kunyara kurichi pesa chiao chikwa gachirwe nyumba ani chikwa gache nyumba na ndote bunga to teli automatic nango igole nyumba hiyo. Okay, and you know okobuturu bakadiri no ane karo kore project gagi mboro kore project ngirinde between this and that a project yari bono is does this house levy have even a term limit so that those things people are not comfortable. They are thinking you go usha all the time. Umaite sha NHIF otu akarure abantu bega situ akarure 1700. Bona bande abare over 10,000.
Yes.
Bakurwa sha. The pay slip has been yani ya migirwe so much na sha. Lakini egaroko gande nyakitari okonyorana the same services kwa una NHIF is the same services yoko ewa na sha na ndekera ogende complications chiba so compliance na triko kona sajin and yet you are paying like 20 times more. You know, people are not comfortable with that. The other thing is egendo kira bareta kurungu NSSF kira tier 1 tier 2 you know NSSF is retirement benefits I want to think care after some time you are supposed to be given but again some of us intole other ntobuate me bankende ya retirement una ntubono in the university ntobuate our own retirement organization again data kutubutora for as our retirement benefits
so tori omokoli omere proud ya serikali yake
bara arusie binte bio ka arusie binte bio no rio maybe we can talk about it
mbiamono sana daktari karibu tena
asante.
Alright, asante zaidi mwanchumuligirili no mwategereli nkolengi matita tukura kulira gaigase mambia bono ekatugire usangama bono mambia
mbia mono sana mwanchumuligire na wigo mwategereli kyagira kwa genderere koba na intukuru twagachagite wikabonekero togokora nchinkuru kwa Matilda Obaigwa
Wasoro mwanchumulinga kwa niaba ya bonsi omugaka onkorgo kibacha etumbiri tuwalinginere mambia Wilfred Matundra Elvis Manyara igine kusigia kolire etuwani mambia bono kwa niaba ya wote nchinkuru kwa disana usuru mwanabuliro wa Jufru Nsarigo. Tomorrow is a day, the same program, same time. Tumirane nae mambia kirabukia kulendi chikura gainyigo mangana murubulio ndibwele litangongo saule ne television gendera konyora emirubulindi emiansu. Bye bye for now. God bless you so much and have a lovely day. God bless you.
Kila nafsi na
ogukwa kwaraliwe kwa engineer David Angwenyi gichana oicho ichane kuralia ogukwa gwa engineer David Angwenyi gichana no mwana onyegusira Charles Gichana Angwenyi na Azina Nyanchama abandinga mona Agnes Kemto Agnes Mura ajoisige sale na Sisiri Abusubore mwana Albert Ratemo na nyegusira Isabera Kerubo no mugaka Umurin Mura Ise Zoela nyegusira na Nana Ela Mumra Umwabo Naomi Deborah Ven Wilfred Theodora, Josephine, Alice, Joyce, Betty, Azinath, Nancy, Paul, Irene, Robert, Kenneth, Pamela, Anthony, Tom, George, Javed, Evans, Nyagusira Oga, Nyaboke, Zachary, Tufosa, Dixon, Nyagusira Ronald, Edith, Jacqueline, Nyagusira Joina, Edina, Grace, Angwenyi, Monari, Sunday, Roema, Robert na Abraham. Munomwiwa Abuombonyo, Omboli, Nyagusira Onsongo, Nyambare, Musinya, Nyakundi, Mukaya, Nyanchama, Angwenyi, Jerusha Mura, Nyagusira Buhali, Bosire Ongwangi, Umbori, Bosire, Mother, Nyagusira Onare, Tandi, Honorable Paul Ongera, Uchwangi, Nyagusira Oyengo, Mokeira, Karen, Namurangi, Samson, Enoch, Shem, Ruben, Naftal, Mary, Batsheba, Gladys, Maxwell, Robert, Eunice, Yukabeth, Nyagusira Ochoga, Peterson, Siro, Atandi, Nyakundi, Jemima, Leah, Mikuro, Dixon, Nyameta, Nyagusira Joseph, Jason Mosomi, Alice Komboka, Nyakiralio, Robert Machogu, na bande abange. Mbamu abo bali abakurukwa Nyanga, babo Mungale, babo Rina, babo Minge, babo Maruko, Nyechae, Retired, Grace, Kodek, Eduarda, Jev, Yumaikina, Joe Wall, Karen, Yunuke, Joan, Angela, Innocent, Colonel, Alfred, Monari, Nora, Mother, Benina, Jared, Ogake, Rabera, Nabanda Bange. Nsemo ya Wycliffe Ongata, Humphrey Nyarangi, Wycliffe Nyanchoka, Judith Kemto, Professor Nyambaka Kaburi, Unyambu, Dr. Moses, Dr. Marasha, Grace, Maureen, Nabande. Isamoke, Axel, Jacob, Salma, Agnes, Averin, Dr. Brenda, Lian, Charles, Dr. Raurit Raura, Lisa Lavi, Dr. Nyatichi Onyambu Junior, Rogito Brandon, Byron Bevan Watson, Kerubo Julie Kemto, Maina Charles Gichana Omoke, Usoma Ikono Omoke, Dr. Kabarak Porin Jerusha, John Rentani, Roni Deub Bonk Sharanta Nabande Abange. Usangirilia ni gukora abichirikisano na ibere umutinyukane 2026 asenka yaye mwamunahalia Rioma obere norusu enkendu ya KTRH Al-Amis tariki kenda umutinyukane 2026 asaberuna kweni wa Ijumaa tariki 10 umutinyukane 2026 asenka yaye gotoka Nyamarani igetioko entangani mwamunahari North Location Sensi Ward Kisii County kurwa chi studio cha Gatembe Television na Gatembe FM ni watu watumira ngora na magombo Nyasaye abalemi chinga kicho bakendu obanene.